Hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, if you hadn't watched my last video, go check it out because I did say that CatDog, Teat, and a few other memes will in fact continue its way to the upside as long as it breaks certain levels. And lo and behold, guess what? Teat is in fact in the profit as well as CatDog. So now I got that out of the way, we're going to get into Bird Dog, just like what I said in my last video, Mad, and a few other memes. By now you would know I've already done my research on Total Free and BTC, so we can skip that for now so we can continue with the rest of the video, just focusing on memes. So stick around for the video, and we all know what time it is. So hello everyone, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. So we are now going to kick off the show with Bird Dog. So why don't we get into the screen? All right guys, so we are seeing a little bit of a drop today for Bird Dog. The market cap is at $2.8 million. We are down on a day 8.99% for the past 24 hours, and the price is at 0.002810. Okay, so let's take a look closer on the chart. Alrighty then, guys, we are still, like I've been saying for the longest, it looks like we're holding just in the fringe of this position, because if we don't continue our way to the upside from here, guess where we are likely to head over the next few coming days. And to be fair, I've been saying this for a little while. This area here is still looming. So guys, do not be fearful, because whenever we drop, it gives us an opportunity to be able to dollar cost our way in, so we can get even more gains in the future. And remember, in my last few videos, I have shown you already the power of dollar costing average. Even though you may be at a loss from this position right here, if you entered anywhere around this level, that's absolutely fine, because if we come back down here and you put in another trade whilst we do enter back into the zone, then by the time we come back up to this level, you will break evens, and then by the time we go even much more further high, you will be in a decent profit. So with that said, do not be fearful, be greedy whenever we dip, guys. Alright, so as we can see, I have multiple trades because I have conviction within my trades, and whenever I see an opportunity to buy in, I will buy, and the more we dip, the more I will buy. Look how many trades we got open. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and potentially 5 once we do come back down into this level. See you guys right over here. And we had spoken in my last video, if we do come back down into the zone, guys, I'm looking to buy even more, and it's looking likely that we are going to be heading away back down into this region. Anyway, you know how I feel about Bird Dog, especially with my strategies. So why don't we get straight into my prediction. My prediction is always going to be at easy 100x, but I'm a true believer that we are going to see and experience 1000x during the bull season. And with that said, guys, let's move on to the next meme, and that is going to be Teat. Teat, and the reason why I'm talking about Teat again, it's because look at this, guys. The market cap is now $17.08 million market cap, and we're up on a day of 47%, and that is pretty phenomenal. Wow, guys, check this out. It went up like a helicopter, quite literally. Not quite like a rocket, more or less like a helicopter. Just like what I said in my last video, I reckon once we do continue our way to the upside and we react positive in a zone, we should continue our way to the upside. As we can see, we've even went much more higher, but then we pulled immediately back. It's not looking too bad, guys, because had you gone in to or had it gone into T-Cat, anywhere between here, whew, you guys would have been in profits. Check this out. Easy over 164% move to the upside. That's why, guys, when it comes down to meme and crypto, there should be no excuses for you to be able to make some decent trades. Even if you make 1x or 1.5x, that is still significant, guys. So if you put in only $100, you receive 160 odd dollars. If you put in 1,000, you get the gist. Anyway, I still reckon with Tomcat we can still easily see 100x. Still reckon that we can see 10x for Tomcat. But anyway, why don't we jump into NERO quickly? Because also with NERO, it's looking like it's making some pretty decent gains over the past few days. We have been ranging sideways, we then dropped, and then now we are seeing that nice little pump to the upside. Okay, so the market cap is at $10.52 million. We are up on the day 23%, and now the price is at 1 cent. Let's take a look what's been going on. My, guys, check this out. I did say that we should be able to see a pump from earlier on within NERO. Not only that, once we do get into this range or the zone right over here, we should be bouncing around here before continuing our way to the upside. Right now, we're currently in our 3 trades. We're in this trade right up here, we're in this one and that one. So as you can see, guys, we are in a handsome trade right now. And if I pull out the measuring tool, and then what we can see, we are currently up on our trade of 113% move to the upside. That's all in all. So that means this trade here is looking very nice. This one here is not looking too bad, and we are also in profit for this trade right over here. So we are on our way to making some decent gains, guys. Do not sleep on any of my videos, because remember, I've been trading for the longest, and most importantly, this is not financial advice. I'm just showing you exactly what I've been doing for the past several years. You will lose your money if you do not do your research, and most importantly, only trade with the monies that you can afford to lose, because it is crypto at the end of the day. You can risk to lose all your monies, but equally with great risks, there are also great rewards, such as this trade. But anyway, let's get back into the screen. All right, guys, so check this out, guys. Things are working out fairly smoothly for NERO, and we should be continuing our way back to the upside. Once we do come back up to this level, my guys, we are going to go straight back up to this level right over here before retesting the last all-time highs. And once we do see that, then this trade here is going to be 212% move to the upside. This trade over here is going to be 404% move to the upside, and this trade over here 382% move to the upside. Well, guys, and that's only until the last all-time highs. But how much more higher can we go? Well, guys, let's take a look at this. I reckon that we can easily see 10x away from here, because 10x away from here, the market cap would only need to reach $105 million, then 100x at 1 billion, and then finally, I reckon there should be an easy 1000x, and it could also be challenging Dogecoin and Shiba Inu when it comes down to similar market cap. But anyway, guys, you let me know in the comments whether you reckon that NERO on the Solana network can actually compete against the like of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, or whether you prefer NERO on the Ethereum rather than the one on Solana. But anyway, let's get back into the screen and get into MAD. All right, let's take a look at what's going on in the world of MAD. Okay, market cap is at $11.59 million market cap, and we are up on the day so far of 5%, and the price is at 0.00001159. All right, so let's get back into the charts. All right, guys, this is starting to look pretty bullish. I had obviously entered into a trade over here because I did say in my last video that since we pull back, we don't have to come all the way back down to these level or touch the support line, because potentially we could see a reversal from here. If we don't, then we can always add more trades as we come back down slightly below or touching the support line, which will be absolutely fantastic either way. So currently we are in profits with both of our trades, which is pretty decent. I reckon that we should quite easily head away back up to the last all-time highs, which means this trade here will be 247 and this trade over here is going to be 216% move to the upside. So that is not too shabby. Structurally, the whole chart looks extremely bullish. Well, as long as we hold above this level, and if we do continue to break much more higher than here, and we continue to the upside, guys, it won't be long until we come back towards the last all-time highs. And then once we smash through that, then I reckon that MAD should quite easily head to 10x away from here, which means the market cap only need to get to $116 million market cap. If we see 100x, that'd be $1.1 billion. Could we see 1000x? Most likely not. However, even if you do see 100x, guys, that is still going to be insane gains. And because I've dollar cost my way in, I'm going to be in significant gains. So would you, depending on where you've entered and whether you have DC'd your way in. You let me know in the comments. Drop your comments within my comment sections and let me know whether you are bullish on MAD. All right, guys, let's get into one final meme and then we can say adios for now. Let's have a look. Which other meme have we not covered? Which other meme have we not covered? All right, let's go for the fan favorites, which is going to be Success Kid. Success Kid market cap has actually gone down a little, guys. Ooh, that's a perfect buying opportunity. What do you reckon? All right, taking a look at the chart, we have dropped even further. I am not too surprised, but equally, I'm going to get very greedy. I'm going to get very greedy, guys. Oof, check this out. If we do come back down, I'm going to raise this up a little. And this is the area that I would love to dollar cost my way into Success Kid. Okay, so let's zoom out of the charts a bit more because I want to see what this trade will give me. All right, okay, so that means this trade over here will then give me 988% move to the upside. Guys, I'm never centering my charts. I don't know why. I do apologize. Okay, so that means this trade here will give me 988% move to the upside. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. And then this trade over here will give me 883. This trade here will give me 779% move to the upside. And we only need to see Success Kid reach 22 cents. So guys, I'm going to leave it there. Let me know whether you're bullish on any of the memes I mentioned in this video. Are you going to be bullish on Bird Dog or are you going to be bullish on MAD? What about Success Kid? Guys, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you like the video, guys, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one.